Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Top of the morning, laddies. It's the Cosmic Guy here, and I am going over my trades today. Wanting to show y'all how the Anonymous Traders Discord server, we're just printing money here. As you can see, NP Boricua. Sorry if I butchered your name, fam, but they have been on a tear recently. Over the past 2 days, this makes almost $20,000. Holy crap, like, he's just working it, and it was all thanks to BOXL. And other members of my group, I know ODT had made some good money on SPCE today. I believe they made a solid 60% off my call alert, and today I made 100% off DraftKings and almost 100% on UPS. I sold a little too late, but that's okay. But I was down bad on glue. So, well, let me show you essentially my calls, my positions today, what I played today. FT was my first play today. It was a stop play. I just wasted liquidity on it. I don't like playing stocks regularly, and I lost. But that's okay because I made it back up in these two stock plays off of BOXL and DLGY. BOXL, I was looking for that afternoon pre 1 a.m. perk. So that perk happened right here, and I was just in the perfect right time, right place watching this. I saw it coming down, consolidating, and then right here I saw it started to cross the CCI channel, or CCI negative 100, so that's a buy indicator. And right here is whenever I was like, you know what, I might take a position. And sure enough, I did, and I rode it nearly to the top. Not really nearly to the top. I rode it to about right here. Its first consolidation point. So 339. Yeah, I took it from a 339 to 376. So that was pretty cool. My best plays though were DKNG and SPCE. This morning, actually, last night on my watch list, on my options watch list, right here, SPCE, June 17th, 1950 call strike. DKNG, 3750. Well, this was just because I had it in a long position, so I had two calls, one at 33 and one at 37. 3350 and 3750. And then UPS, one at 135 call strike. And all of those brought me about 100% gains today. So I don't know why it's not populating. E-Trade does this sometimes, probably because I just sold it. But you can see right here on my July 31st call, I got it at 95 cents and I sold it at 237. Solid profit. I mean, and that's only one call. And then on my July 17th, I bought it at 65 cents and I sold it at $1.50. And we can come over here to honestly see what I left on the table. Because in the chat room, I also said DKNG is going to hit 36 today and SPCE to hit 21. And they both did, like, to the T. So I hope y'all join. I mean, there is a link down in the description to join our Discord. and also support the channel with subscribe star, and the it just helps a whole lot. It really does. So DKNG, the 3350 call, what's its last trade? 220. Slash trade is at 220, and I sold at 150, so I left another 70 cents on the table. Yeah, I left another 200% on the table that's sitting there. So those are just some awesome plays that I made. On SPCE, I didn't get my perfect entry. Let's see if we can go here. Okay, so here it shows you that I sold my UPS position. And then I also did sell my Uber. So the reason why this isn't sitting at 300 is because I sold off my Uber losing position just to reclaim that $13. But let's see here if it'll show me my SPCE buy. Alright, bought right here. SPCE, a 21 21 call strike. And then I sold it at, I bought it at 51 cents, sold it at 99 cents. Sold it a little too soon. I actually say that in my chat room. So, I mean, it's just, I mean, I'm just showing proof here that these calls I'm nailing it, and it's really interesting to see how much more money you can make off only a couple dollar move, especially on a stock like space like SPCE. You really can predict it just because this stock is a big spiker and it's a big cracker. The overall market's closed red today. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to pull out of all my long positions, because I want to try my hand at puts tomorrow. I believe the market may not fare too well tomorrow, but we shall see. But anyways, fam, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments below. I read all of them. I go through all of them. I respond to the ones that I can. And with that, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.